I'm Steve Lengel. I'm the Senior Technician with Yale Industries, here to show you about the 1217A folding machine. When you receive this machine, the trays will not be installed, the feed tray will not be installed, an exit tray will not be installed, and the second fold table will not be installed. When you install the second fold table, make sure you go over the lowest pins in the opening. Just let it slide into place and lock down. When you install the feed tray, once again you lay it on the pins. Just let it slide into place. The black feed wheel should touch the red retarder, which is the separator roller, once you have it installed. If they are not touching, it is not installed correctly. The trays fit right into the tabs, slots, and the exit tray goes in the same way. Now the machine is set up to fold. When loading paper into the folding machine, you must fan the paper. So just move it so it's spread out. You can see that all the edges are shown. The top sheet is going to go first. Put it in an angle with the top sheet pushed right under the feed wheel and then lay it down. If you have it loaded properly, you'll be able to see all the edges of the paper at the top. The top sheet will be up against the feed wheel. Each sheet as you go down the stack will be a little bit further away from the paper. You want to check your first fold table setting. You find your settings on the chart. So if you're doing a letter fold, it would be set for A and S for 8.5 by 11. This one is set on the letter A. There's a set on the letter S. If it was not correct, you would just loosen the knob, move it to the correct location and lock it into place. Then the stacking wheels are set by looking at this same chart in the exit. You can look in the 8.5 by 11 column, find your 8.5 your letter fold, line up the axle of the wheels with the arrow by sliding the silver block. And then you are ready to fold. The I in the parentheses is momentary, and the I is a solid on. So if you push this, it'll stay on until you shut it off. As you can see, the paper is coming out neatly stacked because the stacking wheels are set correctly. So it stays in order. In the event of a jam, just remove the 2 screws from the top cover. You can lift that cover off. Lift off your feed tray. Take out your second fold table. At this point, you should be able just to grab the paper and pull it out. You can turn the rollers by hand, or you can insert a large flat-tip screwdriver into the side of the machine. Turn the rollers counterclockwise to help feed the paper back out the same way it went in. To clean the fold rollers, just remove the cover and the trays just like you would for a jam, and clean these rollers with rubber roller cleaner and a cotton cloth. If they're extremely dirty, you can use a Scotch-Brite pad as well to scrub them down, wipe them off with a cotton cloth when complete. If you do not have rubber roller cleaner handy, you can substitute hot water with a dishwashing soap. Once you've cleaned them, oil each one of the bronze bushings with a small drop of light machine oil, and just let the machine run to let it work into the bronze bushings. There are 10 places to lubricate since there are 5 rollers and 1 feed wheel shaft. You just put a drop at each end of the shaft on all 10. The retarder is adjustable, which is also called the sheet separator. The adjustment is underneath the feed tray. It's the nut with the spring on it. You just want it tight enough just to be in slight contact with the black feed wheel. For folding multiple sheets, up to 3 sheets at a time, you can hold the bypass lever and insert the sheets into the machine while it's running or while it's off, either way. If you need more help, you can contact Whitaker Brothers by selecting the help on this website.